Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica Flynn and I am the owner and maker of Flynn Sisters Boutique. And today we're going to be doing a quick little video on a unboxing and review on Craft Haven's mystery boxes. I'm going to tell you what the mystery boxes are all about and we're going to go over everything that came in the last one. So I'm really excited because usually these are new release items. So I'm very excited to show these to you guys today. So that's enough chit chat for me. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, so the mystery box came in this big box here and I'm a little irritated because the post office did not heed the fragile sticker on there. It looks like they just crammed it in the truck, but whatever. Hopefully everything in here is fine. I haven't had a chance to look at anything in here yet. I just opened it before the video, so I will be just as surprised as you guys when we go through this. All right, so again, we are looking at the Craft Haven mystery boxes. Now, she sends these out with all her new released styles, and I don't know if she does it every month or every other month. I know I've gotten a couple of these, but they're about $40 in shipping on her website, and they include like a few different styles. They don't all come with a bunch of different lid options, but it's just a fun way for her to introduce new styles and for you to try out some new things that she carries. So the best way to find out when a mystery box will be released is to join her Facebook group, which I will have a link for down below, and just really pay attention to those notifications and try to get your hands on one of these because it's a great value. The last one I got had so many great goodies in it. So, oh, and they also come with a free gift. So that's cool. All right. So let's see what we got here. We got some candies. All right. So the first one that I'm going to look at, I don't know what this is called. Oh my gosh, so cute. So this looks like an updated version of the mason jar tumblers. This looks like a thinner version or a slimmer version. The other ones were 17 ounces. I'm going to make a safe assumption that this is also 17 ounces. Looks like it. Having a hard time getting that cap back on. Let's see. Okay, there we go. Cute. Very cute. And it looks like the lid, does it have a seal? Yes, the lid does have a rubber gasket seal inside there, so that's nice. That does fully seal, and it's got a hole for a straw. Looks like this stainless steel straw is what comes in it, so that is nice. Nice and straight inside. Looks like totally straight sides as well. This is such a cute shape. Oh, I love this. This would be really cute with like a patina design, you know, like my rustic patina with a geode. That's cute. Very cool. I love that. The next one we're going to look at is, let's see, what's this? 17 ounce milk jug. Okay, so, oh, how cute. Look at you guys, how cute for Christmas time. Milk for Santa, if you actually want to keep your milk cold. Look at how cute that is. You've got a nice seamless inside. You've got a threaded screw-on lid with a rubber seal. Oh, this is just precious. With the little handle. Look how cute. Kids, if your kids are going back to school, nice way to send, you know, either a warm or cold drink. That's nice. This is really cute. So this is the 17 ounce milk jug. I know she had, I want to say she had a 12 ounce milk jug for a while. I think she still has it, and it's a little wider and shorter, super cute as well, but this is really nice. I'll make a little milk and cookie set with that or something. That is cute. All right. And what is this? All right. So here, I should probably move all these boxes out of the way. Okay. All right, so this, ooh, this is nice. This looks like a 30-ounce stubby, I want to say, 30-ounce stubby. Let's see. Oh no, sorry, 30-ounce fatty. Okay, and this one has lid options. I think you could do the clear, the dark, or just the regular clear slider lid options. If you guys are familiar with her stuff, you know what I'm talking about. And this looks totally straight. This is nice. So if you have little hands, this is gonna be a little thick for you. It is, you know, it is a fatty, but okay, so my biggest issue with a 30-ounce skinny is they're so tall. I always knock them over and they go flying off my table. This is going to be a shorter profile, so you're not going to be knocking it over as much, but you still get that full 30 ounces, so you're also not having to refill as much as you do with the 20 ounce. So I do like this. Probably wouldn't fit in my cup holders, but all right. So yes, again, this is the 30-ounce stubby. So I misspoke when I talked about the name. I'm sorry. It is a 30-ounce stubby. So very cute. Now we also have the 40-ounce stubby. Okay, whoa. Wow, this is huge. So this is the 40-ounce stubby if you have, oh my gosh, this is so big. Okay, so this is really big. If you have, you know, men's cups to do, or, you know, someone with really big hands, this is going to be great. This also looks like it has totally straight sides. One thing I love that she's doing now is her skinnies and a lot of her cups are coming with fully straight sides. So that's great for wrapping, that's great for stripes and all kinds of designs. It just really simplifies the process for us. So this is going to give you those totally straight sides, no taper, okay? So here's what the bottom looks like. Now I get a lot of questions about that black dot on the bottom, and a lot of people think this is a hole. It is not a hole. This is totally sealed. This is just where the sealing happens during the manufacturing process. So you can just epoxy right over this with your design, or if you wish to keep it as is, you can do that as well. So yeah, just so you know, those are not holes. They're just a little black dot where everything kind of came together in the manufacturing process, and it's sealed right there, okay? So if you are unfamiliar with these kind of tumblers, these are double-walled vacuum sealed tumblers. They keep, you know, hot and cold for 8 to 24 hours. Absolutely fabulous, fabulous tumblers, and really easy to work with for your designs. And she does have a lot of different lid options as well. So if you go to crafthaven.com, you can see all the different lid options that come with each style of cup. Most of them have 3 lid options, which is this dark tinted sliding lid. You've got a clear rubber sliding lid, and then you have like a basic clear sliding lid that doesn't have the rubber sealing component here, okay? And on some of her styles, she has a screw-on clear lid, which is my personal favorite, but she doesn't carry that clear screw-on lid on all her styles, just a few. Okay. Now, we also have the 40-ounce camper. Ooh. I haven't really seen this one yet. Oh, cute. Holy moly. Look at this, you guys. Wow. Okay, so all the wonderful features of the 40-ounce stubby, but we have a handle on it. So if you have small hands, but you still like a large drink, you're probably gonna wanna get the one with the handle. This is a beautiful flat rounded edged handle. Here it connects seamlessly to the cup, beautiful. And this is what I mean, this is the clear sliding lid, clear rubber sliding lid versus the dark tinted rubber sliding lid, okay? This is fabulous. You get the straight sides, beautiful inside, nice and seamless. This is great. So if you've got, you know, so this would be like a his and hers, I feel like. Okay, so this is the 40-ounce camper mug. Now, if you guys saw earlier, I don't know if you guys are in my Facebook group, but I did a live unboxing of one of these, and we got the 20-ounce camper mug, which is gorgeous. I have it here. I had started a design with this, but I didn't finish it, as you can see. So this is the 20-ounce camper mug. This is the 40-ounce camper mug. So I love the lines on these camper mugs. I love the style and design. Absolutely fantastic. All right. And so last but not least, we have the 30-ounce camper mug. Great. So we've got it in a 20, a 30, and a 40-ounce. You guys, oh my God, I really like the size of this 30-ounce. Look at this. Look at that. So again, very similar to the 30-ounce Stubby. It's just got a handle. Okay, so what we got is we got the 40-ounce Stubby with the 40-ounce camper. We got the 30-ounce Stubby with the 30-ounce camper. And I think she's got the 20-ounce Stubby with the straight sides now with the 20-ounce camper as well. So that's fabulous. That wraps it up. So that's all we got in this box. They were such great designs, you guys. I'm really excited to play with these for the holiday season and do some maybe Santa, I don't know, cookies and milk kind of situation. But as always, you know, Amy always delivers great quality, great selection, very different designs that are so easy and so great to work with. And that about wraps it up. So again, you guys, if you want to find out when these mystery boxes are released, you can go to her Facebook group, which I'll have linked down below. I also have a discount code for you guys if you want to save, I think it's 5% off on your order. So that'll be down there in the description box as well. And I think that about covers it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, be sure to give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button because we do upload videos every Wednesday and Saturday. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you soon. If you love this video, you could check out our last video here. Also be sure to find us on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and of course subscribe for all our new videos that come out every Wednesday and Saturday. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon.